Now we're in Canandaigua. We found this unit's got a bad compressor, so we're recovering the refrigerant. We're going to change out the whole condenser and add a new filter dryer and do a quick startup on it.
Let me march right through the mud, 'cause I'ma settle on my scores and hear me bang on the drums of war. If you could
Potter, we specifically use REEM Products for our HVAC project due to their price and availability, reliability, and customer service. For more information on the products that we provide, visit potterhvac.com.